I don't talk.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy 2J, and today we're gonna be reacting to Aaron the Plumber. Now, since when does Cuz hop on the beat? We ain't never seen him hop on the beat, so I expect him to say some crazy stuff. We finna see what he talking about, bro. What's good, YouTube?
I don't talk while I'm recording. Turn the camera on.
Now, since when does Cuz hop?
Turn me up on my headphones, Badesky. That nigga spit on me, we gon' get on him. Drop the pen, we gon' spit on him. We can pick blickies, bounce the low, we gon' get on him. That nigga spit on me, line up the fade, we gon' get on him. We keep pick blickies, bounce out the low with a ball. I'm tryna get jiggy, I'm tryna get jiggy. That nigga spit on me, line up the fade, we gon' get on him. We keep pick blickies, bounce out the low with a ball. I'm tryna get jiggy, I'm tryna get jiggy. Whack 100, keep it 100, line it up. Get active for Stockton.
Yo, Whack, he calling you out for the fade, gang. Whack 100, line it up. You gonna line it up? Whack, he calling you out, bro. He said your name, gang. Line it up.
Sign me up. I'm fuck with Zeus, they be doing grimy stuff. Ray J a bitch, she gon' pay for the pussy. The type to suck a dick when nobody looking. Welcome to Hell's Kitchen, all living niggas cooking. Famous size plumber, need a reducer and a bushing. Got shooters in the bushes, see a pussy in the dishing. Soft as a cook.
Don't lie, y'all know this beat smack, bro. Whoever made this beat go hard as hell, bro. Hard as fuck, my nigga.
She gon' spit when I walk away. Say gangsta get choked today. I'm with Haiti, baby, in a brand new Mercedes. Niggas sending death threats, that shit make me angry. Free J-Bo, trying to give a nigga a hate.
Hey, free J-Bo, bro. He just came home and y'all locking him up. Free J-Bo.
If he ain't for the fade, then I'm feeling like a K-blow. No sitting under the K-rope.
Cuz ready to run the fade, bro. And look at the big nigga just standing there. Hey, free J-Bo, bro. He just came home and y'all locking him up.
I've been acting a-hole. I'm from 209. Ain't finna fuck if you ain't finna pay ho. I'm some real pimpin'. Yeah, I'm Muslim, but I gotta stand on gangsta business. God is my.
Is he really Muslim, bro? Somebody figure that out for me, bro. I'll leave finna search it up. Is he really Muslim, bro? Somebody figure that out for me, bro. I'll leave finna search it up. Is Aaron the Plumber trans? What the fuck? Brother is definitely a Muslim. Okay.
Witness, they some devils, demon hunting. Finna go fishing, finna pop a clip in, finna get you tripping. Shot a loose cannon, I'm a loose cannon. But I'm not crippin', but I'm not crippin'. I'm not crippin', but I'm from 209. But I'm not crippin', but I'm still trippin'. Shot a loose cannon, but I'm not crippin', but I'm still trippin', but I'm not crippin'. That nigga spit on me, line up the fade, we gon' get on it. We keep pick blickies, bounce out the low with a ball. I'm tryna get jiggy, I'm tryna get jiggy. That nigga spit on me, line up the fade, we gon' get on him. We keep pick blickies, bounce out the low with a ball. I'm tryna get jiggy, I'm tryna get jiggy. I'm tryna get jiggy, I'm tryna get busy. Line up the fade, we gon' get jiggy, we gon' get jiggy, we gon' get jiggy. They had homies, nigga.
Yeah, niggas was definitely getting jiggy, bro. Hey, my man Aaron doing his thing, gang. Can't say it was trash, bro. Hey, 100, bro. I'm do halal. Hey, the words my man Aaron, gang. It's your boy 2J. I'm out. Niggas was definitely getting jiggy, bro.